Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. The world of work is evolving faster than ever before. Automation, AI, remote collaboration and generational change have reshaped how organizations operate. But amid all this transformation, one thing remains constant: the power of people. In this new era, human resources is no longer about payrolls and policies. It is about people, purpose, and performance. The modern HR department is becoming the heart of business transformation, and at the center of this shift stands ISO 30415, the global standard for diversity and inclusion. ISO 30415 is not just a document, it is a revolution in how organizations view inclusion. It helps HR leaders build cultures where every voice matters, every person belongs, and every difference adds value. In this video, we will uncover how ISO 30415 is redefining work culture and shaping the future of HR. Now, what ISO 30415 really means for HR. ISO 30415 2021 is all about embedding diversity and inclusion into the DNA of human resource management. It guides organizations to treat every employee regardless of gender, culture, background, or ability with fairness, equity, and respect. For HR, it means creating unbiased hiring systems, transparent promotion pathways, inclusive learning opportunities, and workplaces where everyone feels they belong. This isn't about political correctness or public image. It is about building a strong, resilient, and high-performing culture that thrives on differences. ISO 30415 turns diversity from a concept into a measurable, accountable business strategy. From compliance to culture. In the past, HR policies were often built around legal compliance, ensuring organizations didn't break discrimination laws or workplace codes. But compliance alone doesn't create belonging. ISO 30415 shifts HR from policing rules to cultivating values. It encourages leaders to build a workplace where people feel safe to express themselves, share ideas, and grow. The real transformation happens when inclusion becomes part of daily work life, in meetings, decision-making, and leadership behavior. Instead of asking employees to fit in, the new culture asks how the organization can adapt to include everyone. Now have a look on the 5 pillars of future-ready HR. To prepare HR for the future, ISO 30415 introduces 5 key pillars that shape inclusive organizations. First, leadership commitment. Inclusion starts at the top. Leaders must walk the talk, set diversity goals, and make inclusion part of strategic objectives. Second, inclusion across the employee life cycle. From recruitment to retirement, every process must ensure equal opportunity and respect. Third, data-driven decision-making. HR must use analytics to measure representation, pay gaps, and engagement, not rely on assumptions. Fourth, inclusive learning and development. Organizations must train managers and employees to recognize unconscious bias and practice empathy. Fifth, continuous improvement. Inclusion isn't a one-time project. It is a journey of constant learning, feedback, and growth. These pillars turn diversity from an abstract ideal into a real, sustainable strategy. Technology and the human touch. The future of HR is digital, but it must stay human. Artificial intelligence and analytics have revolutionized recruitment, training, and performance evaluation. However, AI can also inherit human bias if not monitored. ISO 30415 reminds organizations to use technology ethically, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in HR systems. Technology should help people thrive, not replace human connection. The perfect HR system blends automation with empathy, fast, data-driven, yet deeply human. Now, building the future of work. The workplace of tomorrow is inclusive, flexible, and human-centered. ISO 30415 is more than a standard. It is a philosophy that guides organizations to value people as their greatest asset. The companies that understand this will lead the next era of business, because in the end, technology may power the future, but people will define it. So if you are an HR professional or leader watching this, remember, you have the power to shape the future of work. And ISO 30415 can be a roadmap to a culture that celebrates diversity, builds belonging, and drives success. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.